Classe 300X is the new BTicino 2-wires Smart Video internal unit. Remove the bus AV clamp from the back of the video internal unit using the special tool supplied. Connect the 2-wires bus to the clamp. Fasten the dedicated support, supplied, to the wall. Connect the cable and reposition the clamp on the back of the video internal unit. Attach the video internal unit to the bracket. Classe 300X is available in the dark, black, and light, white version. You can also install Classe 300X on a table. Using the accessory support, item 344632, available separately. Insert the cable into the dedicated slot on the support, then reposition the clamp. The table support is attached to the back of the video internal unit with the screws provided. Tighten the screw to open the push-button panel. Fasten the push-button panel to the wall. Connect the cables to the bus clamps. Connect an electrical door lock to open the gate. At the end of the installation, adjust the volume, reposition the front cover, and loosen the screw to block it. A space for 6 DIN modules is required. Protect the power supply with a 2 ampere circuit breaker. Connect the phase and the neutral. Connect the bus cable of the push-button panel. Connect the bus cable with the video internal unit. Power the system and wait approximately 1 minute. The video internal unit will guide you through the first configuration. Press Start to begin. Select the desired language and press Continue. Set time zone, date and time, and then press Continue. Set the main parameters. N, address of the video internal unit. P, address of the entrance panel, any cameras, intercom functions, and activations. Customize the names of the functions according to your needs. Easily and intuitively distinguish between the different activations. When finished, press Save. If you have several video internal units, you can customize the intercom call. Enter the address of the video internal unit you wish to call. Customize the name of the internal unit, for example, with the name of the room where it is installed. When finished, press Save and then Finish to complete the configuration. On the Video Internal Unit's homepage, in the Notifications area, you will find some helpful tips. Connect Class 300X to your Wi-Fi network. Enable the Wi-Fi connection. Select the Wi-Fi network from the list. Enter the network password. After connecting, Class 300X suggests pairing with a Home plus Security app. Press Show Setup Code to activate pairing. Frame and scan the QR code displayed on the screen using your smartphone. Once pairing is complete, press Dismiss and finish customizing the system in the app. Press the Settings icon and select Advanced. Enable the Professional Studio function for automatic door lock release when you receive a call. Tap the Professional Studio icon and choose the scheduled programming. Select the days of the week on which to activate the function. Set the start time and press OK. Set the end time and press OK. When the function is active, the vertical LED lights up yellow as confirmation.